In this video lecture, we solve a problem about carburetor. We consider a question. A simple jet carburetor is supply 5 kg per minute of air and 0.4 kg per minute of petrol of a specific gravity of 0.75. The air is initially at 1.03 bar and 27 degrees Celsius. Assuming an isentropic coefficient of 1.35 of air, determine first the diameter of venturi of the air, speed is 90 meter per second and the velocity coefficient of venturi is 0.85. Second, the diameter of jet if the pressure drop at the jet is 0.8 times the pressure drop at the venturi, and the coefficient of discharge for the jet is 0.66. First of all, we write the given data. Mass of air is given by 5 kg per minute. Mass of fuel given 0.4 kg per minute. Specific gravity 0.75. Initially air pressure means P1, this is equal to 1.013 bar. Temperature means T1, 27 degrees Celsius. It converts into Kelvin, means 27 plus 273 means 300 Kelvin. Isentropic coefficient means gamma equal to 1.35. Also given air speed at venturi means C2 equal to 90 meter per second. Velocity coefficient means CV. This is equal to CV for venturi, CVV for venturi 0.85. Also given pressure drop. Pressure drop is given by 0.8 times of pressure drop is 0.8 times the pressure drop at venturi. Venturi pressure drop is P1 minus P2. Also discharge coefficient CD for jet, this is equal to 0.66. This all the data is given. We construct a simple diagram for a venturi throat. This is our venturi. This is our cross section number 2 and this is the cross section number 1. Air is flowing from this end to this 1 to 2. All the condition at 1 is a P1 P2 P1 T1 means pressure, at point 1 is P1 temperature, T1 volume, V1 at point 2 as it is P2 T2 V2. For airflow point 1 to 2 we applying steady flow energy equation. Steady flow energy equation for section 1 and 2. Equation is H1 plus C1 का square by 2 equal to H2 प्लस C2 का स्क्वायर बाई 2. At point 1, we consider the velocity of air is negligible. That's why C1 is equal to 0. We found C2 equal to 2 into H1 minus H2 का whole square. We know that H1 equal to CPT1 or H2 equal to CPT2. We putting this value in this equation. So C2 equal to under root of 2 CPT1 minus CPT2. CP and T1 out of this equation, then this is T2 upon T1. The airflow at Venturi is an isentropic process. So for isentropic process, tropic flow, we know T2 upon T1, this is equal to P2 upon P1 का power gamma minus upon gamma. We're putting the ratio of T1 upon T2 in this equation. Then equation is C2 equal to under root of 2 CP T1 1 minus P2 upon P1 का power gamma minus 1 upon gamma. We know that C2's value is 90. Also this is the velocity at point 2. That's why we consider velocity coefficient for Venturi, that C2 equal to CVV into this value 2 CP T1 1 minus P2 upon P1 का power gamma minus 1 upon gamma. That's why C2 equal to C2's values is 90. We convert equal to 0.85 the value of CVV under root 2. We know that CP's value is 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. We convert kilojoule per kg Kelvin in joule. Value of T is 300. 1 minus, we found in this equation value of P2. P1 value we know 1.013 and ratio is 1.35 minus 1 upon 1.35. Calculating this equation, and we found P2 value. P2 value is 0.9485 bar. Then we apply for ideal gas equation. P1 V1 equal to RT1. So V1 equal to R T1 upon P1. V1 equal to we know that value of R is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. We convert into joule per kg Kelvin. into T1 value is 300 upon P1 value is 1.013 into 10 ka power 5. We convert bar into Newton per meter square. After calculating this, V1 is given 0.849 meter cube per kg. For isentropic flow, we know that P1 V1 का power gamma equal to P2 V2 का power gamma. Then V2 equal to P1 upon P2 का power 1 upon gamma into V1. Putting all the values, V1 value is 0.849, P1 value is 1.013 or P2 value is 0.9485, 1 upon 1.35. After calculating this, V2 equal to 0.8898 meter cube per kg. For Venturi throat area, we apply continuity of mass flow rate equation Ma equal to A2 C2 upon V2. Mass flow rate of air is 5 kg per meter. We convert kg per second. Area into velocity is 90 and we found volume is 0.8898. After calculating this, area A2 equal to we found 9.886 centimeter square. We know that area Venturi is pi by 4 d square. We put up area 9.886 equal to pi by 4 d square, and calculating this, d is equal to 3.5478 centimeter. After calculating the Venturi diameter, we calculate diameter of jet. So mass flow rate of fuel is equal to MF equal to CVJ, area of fuel under root 2 density of fuel into pressure difference. We know that pressure difference is given by P2, del P is given by 0.8, P2 minus P1, 0.8, P1 minus P2. So del P equal to 0.8, P1 value is 1.013 or P2 value is we calculated in equation 0.9485. Calculating this, del P is equal to 0.0516 bar. We are putting all the values in mass flow rate equation. MF equal to CVJ AF under root of 2 rho of fuel into del P. Mass of fuel is given by 0.4 kg per minute it converts into kg per second. Cv's value is 0.66. Area of fuel is determined in this equation. Rho of fuel is specific gravity into density of water. So specific gravity is given by 0.75 or density of water is 1000, or del P is given 0.0516 converted into Newton per meter square. After calculating this, area of fuel is given 0.036 centimeter square. We know that area of fuel is given by pi by 4 d square. Putting area value 0.036 equal to pi by 4 d square, and diameter of jet is given by 2.14 mm. Thank you.